Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about ratios, more specifically tables of equivalent ratios. So to get us started, here we have a ratio that is 4 hearts to 3 stars. And in order to create a table, we're going to do it one of two ways. So we could either do a horizontal table like this, or a vertical table, which I'll show you next. And make sure that within our table, you're also labeling the two things we're talking about. So in this case, we're talking about hearts and stars. So we have 4 hearts and 3 stars. And the way this table is going to work is we're going to come up with equivalent ratios by taking our original ratio and doubling it, tripling it, quadrupling it, and so forth. So if we take our original ratio and double it, we now end up with 8 hearts and 6 stars. And then if we multiply that by 3, our original ratio, we now end up with 12 hearts and 9 stars. And if we take our original ratio and now multiply that by 4, now we have 16 hearts and 12 stars. And if we take our original ratio and multiply that by 5, we get 20 hearts and 15 stars. Now, we could keep going if we wanted to. This is never ending. So we could come up with an infinite number of equivalent ratios. Now, if we're going to do a vertical table, it's going to be the same thing, except it looks like this. We're going to fill it in the same way, except we're going down. So if we take the original ratio 4 hearts to 3 stars and double it, we now have 8 hearts and 6 stars. And then if we take the original ratio and triple that, we now have 12 hearts and 9 stars. If we take the original ratio and quadruple it, now we have 16 hearts and 12 stars. And if we take the original ratio and multiply that by 5, now we have 20 hearts and 15 stars. And again, we could keep going if we wanted to, but this is how to create a table to come up with equivalent ratios. And as you could see, we could also model it like we did on the side.